So this is what I went off of. I originally found a calculator that was originally for adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing, but I edited it so I wouldn't need all these functions up here, so it would just be all in the
Hello. Any mods? Hold on. One second, boys. 1 second. All right. Hello. Good morning, everybody. Goddamn. Evo. Hello. Any mods? What do you mean, any mods? You made me admin server. Yeah, definitely. Same, Zaddy. Not this kid anymore. But hello. Pretty much. We're all gonna watch presentations together of these projects. Good morning. Why are you streaming? Time to skip school? Bro, hey, don't go to if you need to go to class, you go to class, bro. I'm streaming my class right now. See, the reason okay, look. This man, this is his coding, and this is zoomed out. This is all his lines of code. He made a program that he was able to literally take all the notifications from like a haiku Reginet standpoint. Oh my god, it was nuts. It was nuts. And when I said like fuck it, I have to stream, I made an OO bot. Like how am I? Oh my god. Okay, let's turn this down and turn this up.
The dictionary we actually got from Automate the Boring Stuff to actually like track the moves or whatever. That's the
So what did he make?
resource we really needed was Automate the Boring Stuff for that one thing. Initially,
Free college videos. Imagine.
Actually, like incorporate the mouse and use that for the X's and O's inside the
Discord bot's like 20 lines of code, even less probably. The person that went last time, just went. His project was worse than mine. I can say that much. I want to be mean, but it's true.
Tic-tac-toe board set up in obviously 9 different coordinates for each spot or whatever. And then
I don't think I'm gonna go today, but I'm ready to go. But I'd rather not go. I want to add like a music player to my code.
We had to kind of take it on from there, obviously, so that it tracked their moves and whatnot, and actually let you know once there was a winner. Otherwise, you were gonna end up going forever. So.
So what did he program? That's
like make it look visually nicer. We just didn't want
I didn't hear what he said.
Stuff like that. Austin can show you how it works now.
Bro, this guy's a streamer. There's no way that this guy's not a streamer. Look at this man. I'm not crazy, right?
Sorry, I've got to enable the screen share.
I'm not crazy, right? This man looks like a streamer.
Matt, are you able to share it? Because in order to
free college videos, goddamn.
I can pull it up.
Sorry, I didn't know I'd have to do this.
No worries. What do I hit to screen share for you guys?
Down at the bottom.
I want to see.
Okay, alrighty. So we'll just...
Is this your college currently?
You guys can see my whole screen, yeah?
Yep.
Perfect.
They wrote a fucking essay.
So here's our code.
I don't even.
Scroll whenever you like.
Okay, yeah. So the first, we just set up the board. We got a title for it there, the tic-tac-toe game. We changed the background color and stuff like that, and then we draw the lines, draw the board, and then so the the next code there is just labeling all the coordinates. So
They made a tic-tac-toe game.
where you want
I was
the
gonna
code
make.
to go. And this is a 2-player.
I was
game, by
gonna
the
make a
way, so it's on
tic-tac-toe
computer.
game
That's probably another thing.
for
we might add if we
my
had more time.
Discord
Because
bot.
usually, like, the computer generates a move. You're not.
Let me
Yeah,
steal
so
this
is, like,
code.
where you're playing with another person on the same computer. And then there we got the dictionary, and that dictionary was taken from Automate the Boring Stuff. And then the next part there was just alternating between the moves. So asking the player X where the coordinates that they want.
I'm
for
lucky that
X
my
to
lunch
go,
break
and then
is in
O,
like
and so
9
on.
minutes.
And
Holy
then
shit.
all these elif statements.
If
are
it's
all
your
just
lunch break, you should
Automate the
enjoy
Boring
your
Stuff. So,
time
like,
with
check-
your
check
friends.
for,
Because
3 in a row
I'm
across
watching
the
a
top,
class.
across the middle, the bottom, all that.
Okay, this is boring.
So this is the stuff we had to add to like actually make it end the game at the correct point rather than just have it last forever. And then a lot of the things that we did at the end were just like polishing related things.
Okay, let me turn my music back up. So what is everyone doing? Is everyone literally in class right now? This is like my only class today. Is right now. And pretty much the reason why I think it's boring is this program is literally tic-tac-toe. They made tic-tac-toe. And I'm too. Oh, let's see it run. Oh, you have to type in the shell. Oh, I respect this a lot more now. I respect this a lot more now. Shit GUI, but I didn't think they even have a GUI. I thought they would be like be in council. I dare you to leave your class. I mean, I could, but I get fucked. This is like me being here right now is a grade for my final project. They could have made it so you clicked on it, you know, and that would have been cool. Fuck, I thought my program was shit. What if I'm like, what if I was like unmuted this whole entire time? Okay.
So for our project, we chose to do a pre-calc calculator.
A pre-calc calculator.
And we did this.
These are all
like
boring.
Like Greg in most pre-calc classes his freshman year, he was having trouble, so he wanted to take on this code and program to help with that.
Gotta do some math. Hey, see you later, doc.
Equation him or her needs help with, and then
today I don't know
what type of problems there is that they need.
There's a chance.
That from there the program.
I want to go on Thursday.
For the user based on what they chosen to get help with.
This is boring.
This project we just both like learned communication skills and learned how to read each other's code and mostly understand what each other's writing. So, and yeah,
okay.
Greg's gonna show you the code now.
Okay, that's.
First I ask you like what page you need help on.
I'll stream on Thursday. I'll stream on Thursday at 11 a.m. Central, like this time right now. I'll stream on Thursday and I'll present that day. So you could be there if you want to be then. Yo, how's it going, man?
We also have it where you could do a try to get a definition for it. So like if you don't understand what slope is or what the equation, it'll explain it to you. We have it where if you just type in random stuff, it'll like just send you back because it doesn't recognize it.
Wait.
You also have it where if you like type in random uppercase and lowercase, doesn't.
I wanted to send it.
Yeah, case sensitive doesn't matter, and it still reads it, right?
Yeah, and you can see also like it'll ask for
Should I? Should I? Will I? Do you think I'll get in trouble?
So like it asks you what your first variable is. And
Try to tell your name. Well,
and it has
it's either David or David. You know, it's one of those, okay?
Adam, you're done with it, you just press it done, and it ends says goodbye, have a good day, then it's finished. So yeah.
Yeah, that's mostly what we got.
Where was this drawn from?
I hate myself. I hate myself. I hate myself. I hate myself. That was great.
Let me finish up with them real quick. Okay.
Next project, boys. Next project. We had a pre-calc calculator. Then we had a.
Okay. Next.
The pre-calc is actually really
I
good.
actually made
Probably.
a little PowerPoint.
Okay.
So, all right. Obviously, I'll show a demonstration afterwards. But this is a just a simple Discord bot to do something that me and some friends like to do all the time. One of our friends who goes by the online tag of Squirrel likes to say a lot of dumb stuff, and we tend to post the same imager link of a GIF of a dog just kind of blinking and staring at the camera. Totally just, a joking thing that we do all the time. But this is, I wanted to automate it and have it just post automatically.
I have to make my bot better than his. My bot will be better than his by Thursday.
Every time he says something
by Thursday, my bot will be better than his.
If the bot's active.
Fuck this.
So I ended up changing that around to where now it's a call function based off of the squirrel or the chipmunk emoji. So if the chipmunk emoji is posted, then the Discord bot is called and posts the link. Pretty much Discord has a developer's tools for building these bots. They have extensive documentation on how to navigate it. They have a very
Well, you do graphics and code? Yes, sir. You're the Photoshop guy, right? Yeah. I guess so.
Get them synced up to your Discord servers. Basically, what you need to do is, first off, when you create the code, you actually need to import the Discord
CMD
module. A lot of the coding is Discord specific content.
Oh, he did put the token.
So my bot's actually pretty small. I'm not pulling up the main code because I have the token, the client token in plain text, and I don't want that shown across. Obviously,
this
if I'm using this in
with a
much more popular Discord server with a lot more people, I'll actually put that into a separate file and call that file for when it comes to the token. But for this case, it's a small group of friends. I'm not too worried about it. It's pretty simple.
But
basically,
his program seems very small.
That's how it connects to the Discord server specifically. When you establish connection through the console, and when it's established, basically the on message object looks for this. Looks for anything that calls for that chipmunk.
I think mine's already better than his. Nice suit, yes sir.
Semicolon or the colon chipmunk colon is the actual plain text.
This small.
What the emoji
IRC.
So when it sees that,
He says his code's bigger, but like
when there's an imager link, automatically
very simple. Once figured out, 23 lines of code, established token, generate client event already. There has to be more, right?
So now in action.
Mine never ran
right
through the
now, here's a simple test
console.
server, as you can see, this is just a simple test server that I have pulled up. So as I can pull the emoji up, I can.
I'm in this server. This is our IT Discord.
When we run it, that's the simple client information that says, "Hey, you're connected. You've established connection." And once
Mine didn't run
Discord
through
bot
here,
actually come online
but I
with
guess it
Discord.
makes sense.
So when you post the emoji, it posts.
It should be really small. No, I already have my program. I'm just adding to it. This is my program.
Well, where we actually have.
And I'm actually running. I'm running my
Work with, other people. So
I'm running my Discord bot through GitHub to a online thing.
Had him to test it and annoy him with it, but yeah, that's all I have right now.
That's it, bro.
Okay, so where was this information inspired from?
So this information actually, so like I said, the Discord developers.
Oh, I
have
need to hear what he says.
Documentation on their developers' tools.
I'm gonna steal it.
A lot
I'm gonna steal
of
what
the
he
coding
says.
Information that can, or like the actual specific coding lines and stuff like that. I pulled from multiple different forums.
You guys can't even see
a
them.
lot of extensive forums, Reddits, the how to make Python website.
Heroku, yes sir, yes sir.
Conversations about this where people are like, oh, this is how you do this, how you do this.
Oh, I just realized they could
specifically. I couldn't find one that specifically calls an emoji or that uses an emoji.
They can see me
like this.
I just realized I just fucked up.
However, a lot of people were like, "Oh, let's use a custom."
If
emoji,
they-
but I wanted to use a default emoji.
Watching.
But yeah, it's from multiple different forums. A lot of the
Fuck!
specific
Oh, I'm
lines are
so
unique to the Discord
dumb.
module itself,
I am
it's
so
a lot
dumb.
of the
They're gonna
developer,
see this and
documentation from Discord.
they know how this works. They're gonna see that and fucking click on it. Fuck me.
Okay, before we get started on the next one, let's go ahead and take care of attendance.
I don't know who this is though. Oh, I'm present and fully functional. I don't know who
Regarding
this
attendance
is.
On Thursday of this week, will you be taking it as well?
Yes.
Bro, this
I'm
guy's
unable to
setup,
show up
I
Thursday
love
'cause I'm
it
at
so
work, is that
much. The
Yeah,
fucking
that's fine.
this mic and arm, bro.
And
This
actually,
looks. Bro, does he have
actually,
two
if you
computers?
if you presented today, you do not have to come on Thursday.
Oh, that's sick.
Okay, thank you. For
I love that. I love that. I love that.
Just really
That's
quick, I
cool.
wanted to ask Alex, did you use the Discord.py library?
Oh, he's presenting too. Sick.
Yes.
Okay. You
Okay.
could have used the squirrel as the prefix for the command, I believe.
Oh, really?
So, yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Oh, that's actually a good idea. That's a really good idea.
Thanks.
That's a good idea. I didn't think about that.
One more person needs to do attendance.
Okay. Okay, what did I miss in chat?
One more.
It shouldn't be that small. Just steal from GitHub. That's what Heroku, Lamau,
Twice.
I love Heroku 550 hours per month. Dude is a full hacker, man. Not gonna lie, for real, for real.
Okay.
I'll go
Six.
next.
Okay.
What was I
So
like? If I unmute, I get so
also
in much
coincidentally
trouble.
have a Discord bot.
Want to become famous by
You're one of
followers and
those.
prime views? Hey man,
Yeah,
eat a fat one.
oh, I forgot how to share camera. Screen
Oh
share.
shit. I thought I was unmuted for a second. I'm so scared I'm gonna get unmuted and I'm gonna swear in the middle of fucking class.
Yes.
All right, so my project is a chatbot that uses Markovify, which is a Python library that
The Discord bot
generates
again?
random sentences. So basically,
Better
I was
not be another
inspired by,
Discord
stuff
bot.
like Chatbot or not Chatbot, Cleverbot, because I always find it fun to just talk to robots and see if they say anything funny. So with this project, I wanted to maybe not necessarily create something as complex as a Cleverbot, but I wanted to at least have it learn from what I say. So how it basically
Oh,
works is
machine
you talk
learning.
to the bot.
That's sick.
Whatever you say to it is stored into its
Stream died.
memory, and then it can use what you've said later when it generates new sentences.
Are you sure?
So it's a couple
I think
development
it's
hurdles.
just reload. I think you.
The biggest issue for me was not so much the coding itself, but Markovify was really tricky with which version of Python it needed. I was almost pulling my hair out. I spent days trying to figure this out because my code seemed correct, but apparently I was running on Python 3.9 and Markovify.
You guys like my fat
that
dumpy?
version. And not only did I have to switch to Python 3.8, I also had to specifically run the 32-bit version. So I felt so relieved after finding that out. And then also, once I did get the bot running, the sentences it generating weren't very diverse.
Might be
or
your
complex.
Python version.
And
That's
I found out
interesting.
that was because I didn't have enough.
Shut the
sentences
fuck
for it
up.
to pull from.
Shut the.
So my
Your
solution
English
for
is
this
getting
was
better.
to make it into a Discord bot.
Nihongo
where it can
Hinashimates.
learn from a casual
Did you say
conversation
that?
between me
Yeah.
and my friends, and then after about a week or so, there would be a huge library of sentences for it to pull from. So this is the chatbot. I named him Gordon, and I gave him a little picture of a frog because I thought that'd be funny. Here's a couple of examples of him talking.
It's a Discord bot! Why is everyone using Discord?
He just says something random. That's one of the limits.
I think they're stealing it from me. I said the idea in the Discord once as a meme, and everyone's like, "Oh, I'm stealing that."
Some other examples. He's not always perfect. He kind of just rambles sometimes, but I'd say about 95% of the time.
I hate this. I hate the fact that everyone's using a Discord bot.
And then
I still think mine's better.
Once you,
I think mine's better than everybody.
My earlier slide, those sentences highlighted at the bottom.
However, I think this is really cool about how there's machine learning.
Text file, which you can use for later. So I can now demonstrate.
The fact there's machine learning and talking to them, I think that's really cool.
I'm just gonna run it outside of Discord because I have a lot of personal.
Wait, is that all the code?
But I can go, hello, Gordon.
Oh, he makes sure not even running. You can run it out of Discord too. That's cool.
Oh, I apologize.
Oh shit! I forgot I had a Coomer profile pic too.
Yeah, safe for school. But this is my friend.
That's okay. We're all adults here.
Yeah. How are you doing?
Oh shit!
Oh, he wants to play Among Us. You guys want to play with him? That's cool. I'm going to go now.
We're working all the items are busted from what I hear.
And if we look inside of the text file.
Okay, his program is sick. He just added on that you can use a Discord bot.
Here's the code, pretty much.
That's it. Let's steal the code, boys.
I'm very surprised that I
Let's steal.
Get it all in only about 35 lines or so.
Let's steal the code.
The first half is just pretty much creating the model for the sentences, and then second half is just
boys.
and storing it into the text file.
Okay.
All right, boys. If you want,
that's pretty much it.
If you want code, if you want some code, here you go.
Hey, who's next?
Here's some. If you want some stolen code.
Just gotta get this screen shared here.
How are we doing on time? Oh, we're good.
What's your bot do? Okay, hold on. Oh, this guy's using Facebook. Okay.
Yes.
Cool.
What does my bot do?
I also use Selenium, so Max and Ryan,
Okay.
that's okay.
Let me turn this down. Let me turn that down. What my project does is pretty much, we're going to go really fast, but we get back to the projects. Basically, when I say owo, the bot goes owo. When I say uwu, it goes uwu. When I say shishiro in any form, no matter where, as long as I say shishiro, it will say botan. If I do .p, .pin, it would say pawn back and tell the latency. I have 8-ball in here. I have repeat, and then I also have like roll a dice, and you go against the bot. Anyway,
Of mine, I used ID since they were unique. But I also learned that IDs can also be dynamic in HTML.
so is this a Facebook scraper?
Threw me a loop.
Is that what I'm hearing?
So as you can see, I have all of the field names for the sign up form hard coded into this program, just using some fake data, obviously. And then down here, you can see I'm finding each of those elements by their unique IDs.
Nani?
And then lastly, there's a radio button for gender, which I had to use XPath for. Because,
Oh my god, you just made me think of something insane.
And then finally, I submit the form, and so I'll go ahead and demonstrate this here. As you can see, it's opening Facebook. It's clicking to create a new account, and then it's going through each of the fields, filling in the data that I had hard-coded into the program. And then finally, it will get to the sign up and click sign up. And obviously with this data right here, it's
No, I
not
changed
going-
this.
It's not real data, so it's not going to submit. But if you do have real data, it will go through. Now there is one catch in that Facebook is smart enough to catch Seleniums that you're submitting the form with automation, basically. And I did get my test account disabled when I tried it. But I didn't have enough time to research after that. But there is apparently a stealth Selenium framework that you can use.
Oh my Shinderu.
Did enough with the code that you could potentially
That's
bypass
good.
Facebook security check.
Okay.
For that.
I'm getting tired of hearing about this
that'd be kinda
project.
cool
It doesn't
to
work.
Extend from this project, I guess.
Okay.
What was the problem that you had? I missed that.
The problem? Well,
Hold on.
it wasn't necessarily a
Let
problem.
me turn up
but
my music.
When I submitted the form using, I created like that PyTest Gmail is actually a Gmail I created, so that's real. But when I use like
Okay.
like a fake name and everything
Now
like that,
back to our code.
when the form
How do I need to
my account was disabled,
did it update? Okay, let's see if it updated.
so I'm assuming that it's just detecting that it was submitted through automation or something like
It did not update.
You'd have to use like a stealth mode or something like that to get around it.
There's a ways to add user agent where it can show you're using an
It didn't say that I updated anything in this code.
also add profiles, and I'm not terribly educated on it, but basically it seems when you navigate to something
It's not realizing I'm updating the code, so when I try to push it to update, it's not working. So I'm gonna close this.
would get around that suspicious act.
You could also try adding some like intentional wait so it doesn't go, type everything in an instant.
Yeah,
in
I'm
case
doing
it's
like
checking for that.
Yeah, I'm doing like 1 second in between, but yeah, so I'm not sure if that's the issue or not, but yeah, I don't know.
Uh-oh.
I didn't quite figure out what exactly it was detecting or research that enough, but I'm sure we could get around it somehow.
Why is it not like it's not realizing that I changed stuff?
Yeah, go ahead.
I was just gonna say, yeah, the inspiration behind that's really, I had just kind of seen a Selenium demonstration in Java before a couple years ago that one of my friends did, and really was just curious if you could do it in Python, and then the sign-up form inspiration was just kind of really just kind of see.
When do you stream?
Today.
It depends. It really depends. I know I'm streaming again on the 11th because I'm gonna be presenting the project live in class, so I want to be there, But I really don't. No, usually it's just random. At least once per week, unless I'm going home like last week for Thanksgiving.
People that don't know how to get around it. So that's kind of inspiration behind that.
Okay. It sounds
Well,
like there were a lot of learning opportunities in this project, so.
Yep.
Why is it not realizing that I'm changing this code? Oh, I wasn't saving it. Oh my god, I'm fucking dumb. I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. Git commit. Nani update. Wait. Okay. What? He says ambitious.
I like ambitious.
I like ambitious too.
I unfortunately wasn't able to fully have my project come to fruition, but I attempted to make a Twitch bot.
Don't go into that stream.
Its purpose was to
Twitch bot. That's cool.
Essentially,
That's interesting.
When you are an affiliate on Twitch, you can make money through your streams, and that money.
That's surely true. However, affiliate is a fucking scam. If you ever want to stream on Twitch, don't ever get affiliate. Affiliate is the biggest scam of the fucking universe.
And subscriptions.
It's not worth it. It's really not worth it.
Each time that you receive these tips or these subscriptions, you earn a certain amount of money, and then
$2.5 to be exact.
Threshold specified by
It's $200 is the threshold.
the money that you've earned. So what I attempted to do
His Twitch channel looks cool. Might have to hop in there. Calm down, Nico. Calm
while
down.
you are streaming and pull out whenever you get tipped or subbed, and keep track of the amount of money that you've earned, so it could tell you when you have reached that threshold and when you
That's
have
very
that
interesting.
money on the way. It started out, I was using a tutorial.
I'm actually sort of curious how
just an
popular this person
online
is.
tutorial, but I wasn't able to get the bot to connect. And after doing some research into how Twitch bots work and whatnot,
Soldier
it
Boy's
turned
live,
out
bro.
that I
Soldier
was
Boy's
dealing
live.
with a beast a whole lot more complicated than I had initially anticipated.
Ah.
So I wound up having to scrap everything, and I found another tutorial that was
Is this just a random person?
but actually worked. What wound up happening was, rather than
What the
just
there's a
one
lot of
Python
rules.
file, I had to have a whole library involving
Hey.
not only the master
Me too,
file,
Nicholas.
but importing other files as well to it, all using object-oriented programming, which I had to take a crash course essentially in that as well. So, with all of that, I did get a bot up and running.
Ooh, I want to see that. I want to see that.
there.
I feel like a Twitch bot's harder than a
can
Discord
show
bot.
you that. Let's see here. Here it is. I can
So all
show
those files, I'm sorry. So all those files, were all those files you wrote, or did some of them you?
No. Pretty much all of these files were taken from a tutorial that I used on YouTube. He shows you how he created all of these files. He tells you what each line of code does, and he also has the files uploaded to GitHub. In fact, there's the copyright information from them at the top of, each of the files that I use.
Just make sure in your summary that you specify all that.
I'm gonna.
Yes,
oh wait, I can't say
I
that.
did.
Otherwise, I'm gonna get in trouble, right?
I even said
I mean,
that
my code's
the
not
first thing I
copied,
did
but
was
it's like.
create a carbon copy of his own bot.
I mean, it's. Oh no, it's definitely not
But
copied at
he
all.
does specify, all
There's the
this
one that
stuff
fucking made an
here
owl
is
bot.
just for getting the bot to connect
Oh, yeah.
to the Twitch account that you set up
Was it-
for it, which then starts
works.
to import and call on functions from the library files.
I realize Nico's not even in this
commands right
Discord.
here.
That's weird.
And let's see here. So what I'm going to run first is essentially just the vanilla form of the bot, which I have right here. As you can see, I've got my bot. Hello. I can,
Okay.
say things in chat. It will respond when I first start to say something. And even
Welcome
has
to the stream.
commands that it
Hey.
responds to just by parsing the chat.
It's actually a.
And will relay anything that is messaged in chat of who it's from and what was said within
This.
the file
It's
itself.
actually a cool bot. If I was like just
So,
a Twitch
from
streamer full time,
there,
I would definitely try to make a bot
essentially
that tells me my
inject own
OSU
code into it
like level and shit like that.
to, again, parse that chat and keep track of the money that you made. So the first thing that
They're
I
not
had
gonna
to do
show
was
you
my
that.
version of the bot. If I can get that one up and running real quick. The first thing that it does upon opening is ask you what your threshold for your payout is. By
200.
default, it is the minimum, which is $100.
Oh, it's 200 for
And then if
YouTube
you
then?
have
It's
any
100,
money
I
already
guess.
on your
I thought it was
account
200.
Before the bot runs, it asks you for that as well. I'm just going to input 25, and then it will join the chat just as the previous version did. From here, the idea was to parse the chat through through the React module, which is in the library right here. The React is on the, I believe, the miscellaneous file here, but I've already got it pulled up. Here we are, which has most of the chat commands, including the loop for processing everything that is going on in the chat. So I have the process module past, let's see here.
It doesn't seem like that hard.
Here it is.
It just reminds me.
I have the process module past the goal and current money.
I think you just skin a simple syntax down for that, and then it'd be perfect.
The initialization, in order to be able to tell
Because like this is new to me, right? This line of code. The wait message is new. Message out channel is new. But once you understand it, it's easy.
For whenever somebody cheers bits, and I have
bits are also a scam.
Added to the current money. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get a subscription notification working. However, if you use it in tandem
you should
with
be
bot,
able to.
Stream Elements, that is.
That's what I'm streaming off
which
of.
I know is kind of a wonky way of doing things. I have that as adding an appropriate amount of money as well. Which once you've reached your goal, if current money is greater than goal, it will print privately through this screen rather than chat itself, because chat doesn't need to know about your own financial information. According to what I was trying to do, it should print out when you have reached that goal based on what is parsed in chat.
You should run the code and test it, saying you have 100, and I want to see if it pops out.
Despite me having passed the goal and current money variables to the React and process function within the react.py file, it still doesn't recognize it as being part of it. If I try to use the accounting command that I set up within the React module right here, so if the user ID Alice the Neko, which is me, messages !accounting, it should say how much money I have.
The only problem I have with this program is the fact that you will not know how much you have until you make your first 100.
Just wind up crashing, as you can see the window with the.
And also, the bot always has to be running, or I'm assuming that
bit more time,
the
possibly a little more knowledge, I could
money will like not
probably fix
stay in the
this
program.
bug, but
You have to start
that
hosting
is
it.
what I've got on my project, and sort of the brick wall that I've run into.
Okay, great.
Any other questions?
No, I think I'm good.
That was a good program. That was one of the better
I think
ones.
we got time for 2 more.
Please
So
no.
who's next?
Someone left.
I'll get going since Alice was finishing up. Let me share my screen.
I have too much fucking.
So it looks like we'll go with John after this, and then looks like Ian will have to wait for you for the next time.
Hacker.io.
So just everybody make sure that they can see my screen.
Yes.
They can. All right.
Is this man a true hacker?
Basically, as we can see here, that I decided to do a rock, paper, scissors. The idea came from is right here on this website. I literally just was thinking like, man, what am I gonna do for this project? And I was just Googling, scrolling. I was like, oh, look, rock, paper, scissors. So I decided to see how far I could take the rock, paper, scissors game, how innovative I could get with it, how many things I could cram into this project while still making it look good and everything like that. So I just took this to
We're
the
stealing
extreme.
this
So
code.
this is the original code.
This code is
If I
getting
exit out,
stolen.
Okay. Yeah, it stopped sharing. Hold on.
I'm stealing this code. This code is mine now.
Alright, so
I
you
am
guys
the
can see
captain now. Your channel looked more
Alright, so
Anamimu than yours.
this
Hey,
code
shut up,
is
Nico.
way longer than the original one that we saw, and way more. All the red text is notes for me. So
Wait.
basically, I took the original rock paper scissors code. I just started Googling because the
See, it
my
depends.
thought process was that
His
I wanted
looked a lot
I wanted to be
cleaner.
brief with this too. I wanted to have rock paper scissors have like where we can
His channel looked a lot like. Oh wait. Oh, you can't see it. You can't see it. Never mind. Usually there's a big fucking anime girl like right here. Well, that's when I'm not live. But hey. Cold Thief. Hey, we're gonna add it to the Discord bot. That's the thing. I'm just gonna steal it and put it in the Discord bot. We have 2 programs we can steal: a tic-tac-toe and a fucking rock, paper, scissors. Honestly, I'm not even sure that's his channel or not. I think he could just be using that channel.
GUI, which you'll see in a moment. I had to create a widget, and then I had to.
My hair is
align
really
it by
disgusting right
rows
now,
and columns.
which is why I didn't want to
This is where
stream.
I just
Because I have to shower, and I didn't shower because I was too lazy to
where I
wake up in
wanted
the
it,
morning.
like all the buttons, everything, so it looked nice and neat.
But
All here, this is where I created my buttons, and then the bottom's the.
after the first program that I saw, which was
I can
insane,
talk through
I
this.
thought a lot of them
I
would be
want
like
to go
that.
through it a little bit more, but there's not a lot of time left. So let me just show you the code. Let's just get to it here.
Oh, yes, Tinker. So this Tinker, so it should be like the actual GUI,
So
right?
can you guys see that or no?
No.
No.
Okay.
You have to display the whole window.
Yeah.
The whole desktop. Not just the
When I present on Thursday, it's gonna be very just like crazy.
All right. Can you see all this now?
Oh, damn!
Perfect. Okay. So here's what I came up
Damn!
with. It didn't come out exactly the way I wanted to. I wanted this picture
Oh,
to
wait.
expand the whole side of the graphics
Oh.
user interface, but here we have the selection. Like
Never
this is
mind.
what you chose, this is what the computer chose. These are the buttons that I created, and obviously this is the quit button. This closes everything.
Code Thief.
So when we click on rock, for example, a GIF will come up and it'll tell you computer player. This is the player win count, and this is the computer win count. And like if I pick rock again, I have a bunch of different GIFs that come up. Like if you pick a certain picture, and there again, I won again. I have paper, I have scissors, I have just a bunch of funny GIFs. This is me taking the rock, paper, scissors code that I took originally, and me just making it better, the best that I could make it in the time frame that I wanted to.
I want to
Now,
make it
one
rock,
issue that I
paper,
did run into
scissors.
that I still can't fix to this day, and if I had more time, I would fix it. That
I want to
if
hear
I
what he
click,
says first, actually, before I say
the
anything.
buttons, the GIFs will speed up incrementally along with the win counter, and I think it has something to do with, as you can see here. So that's really the only issue I ran into.
That's amazing, though. That's
that
is so.
The GIFs will speed up and up and up.
That is so funny.
Forth. But as you can see, it prints out the win counter here, also in the shell. It prints out here. So this was my rock, paper, scissors project, and this is what I got to do.
Any move?
Yeah, any questions?
Interesting. Okay, so
Okay, let's turn this down. I want to make a rock, paper, scissors program for my Discord bot, and with the Discord bot, basically, you could challenge the person you want to challenge in the Discord, and then you both could play rock, paper, scissors. Oh, this is the Twitch streamer looking guy. God damn it! Please not be. There's no one in. This is COG. I could do this. This is not that hard. You use a COG system, and you could print out all the stuff you want. It's broken. I have that. Mine's repeat. Oh, he's using like that. That's not. That he needs to change that. I'm ready to steal programs. Set thumbnail URL icon. Oh, you guys can't hear him at all. I'm so dumb. I'm so going inside.
Other screen elements on websites without even needing to.
Made a Discord bot. Basically made a Discord bot. Oh, beautiful soup.
I was curious about doing was kind of implementing old assignments and seeing if I could get.
I thought about that. I thought about that
with this Discord bot. So I added in the parsing program from before, and it can take a second, but it'll go through and check for working links on websites. So that was one of the things where I was interested. Like, okay,
I was thinking about that, but it wasn't fun, so I didn't do it.
That pre-exists. Throw it.
I almost destroyed System 32 and all my files on my other computer by accident. God damn! How do you? It says System. Oh my god.
Add embeds like that. So, there were a lot of issues getting it to work, and the documentation does exist on Discord's own kind of website, but that's through JavaScript. So I mainly stuck to the discord.py documentation. I went on their Discord a few times to ask for just basic formatting things, but a lot of it was just kind of figuring it out on my own, trying to get it all working.
This is a lot of people use Discord bots.
But yeah,
bro, what
so
the fuck?
The big thing though was, again,
I swear they stole my idea.
kind of
I'm about to get my degree in computer science, and all this looks basic, but I'm a big brain.
Things, and then from there,
What they've done, I feel like it's very basic.
Time, I would,
I feel like I've done more than they did.
More commands,
and I started yesterday.
Basic functions.
I haven't done a fun little project in a while. This is my first fun little project in a while, to be honest with you. Notepad is dangerous, bro. I'm telling you, goddamn.
Do you have any questions, I guess, about it?
No, sounds good.
Okay.
Okay. Nice
He
job.
looks like a Twitch streamer though, man. I not get over this. This setup looks nuts.
We'll
I love
finish
it.
up on Thursday. Just kind of looking at things. Let's see. The final. Let's talk a moment about the final exam.
You guys want to hear what my final exam's gonna be about? You guys curious?
So for this class, the final exam is Thursday. It's
I don't like that.
From 7:50 to 9:50, but
Ain't in the fucking
I will have
morning,
it
dog?
posted so that you can access it from 7:30 to 11:30. So instead of a 2-hour window, you'll have a 4-hour window. Okay. Or if you want, if you get
time one more time.
7:30 to 11:30.
Okay, I have 4 hours to do this time.
No, finals week next week.
Okay.
Is that all when we have to begin by, or is that when it just cuts off?
So that you'll have 90 minutes. I haven't finished writing the test yet, so
I'm going to bed. It's 8 at. Going to bed at 8 a.m. The fucking this skinny on the back. Calm down. Calm down.
Questions, so we'll see if I get there. But so it'll be so anywhere between 7:30 and 11:30.
I want to leave this classroom so bad right now.
Once you access it, you'll have 90 minutes.
Okay.
AM or PM?
AM.
Okay.
Or would you guys prefer instead of 7:30? Would you prefer 8 to 12?
7:30 is a little early for me.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Well,
8 to 12 would be good.
Okay, let's do 8 to 12.
I am so down for that.
Those who want to do it during the lunch hour. So.
And that
Okay.
sorry. The date would be December 10th, just to clarify, correct?
Yes, December 10th.
December 10th, my final. Sounds good. Okay.
So since we have that range of the time and test, when we take
Can I leave?
Are we in a Zoom call or is it kind of a?
No, you do not need a Zoom call.
Okay.
Can I leave
I
now?
will be available through the office hours so that if
I'm gonna
you
be
have
clicking
any
this button
questions
so
during the
fast
exam,
right when she stops talking, dude.
You can ask.
Right when she stops talking.
You're not allowed. You are not required to log into anything. You're not allowed. You're not
Wait
required.
for it.
To, keep saying
I'm
loud.
waiting for it,
You're
bro.
not required to
Let me leave the
enter Zoom
classroom.
for any reason unless you have a question.
You will let me leave the classroom.
Okay. So we'll do 8 to 12.
Okay. Can I leave
So
now?
I'm just making sure that I've got, how finals work down, because this is my first semester here at ISU. So we just go on to like ReggieNet. There will be a.
I'm done. I'm fucking done. I don't give a shit. I'm fucking done. It's so simple, man. You're gonna have a test quiz on fucking ReggieNet, and you're gonna take the damn test. You had how taking tests the whole entire fucking semester. Holy shit. I'm going to bed at 8 a.m. The fuck this kid. Dude, this is literally how I've been to sleep at 3 a.m. last night. Actually, I tried to go to sleep at 2 a.m. and like so I actually had like a good sleep, but then I literally couldn't fall asleep. I just kept thinking of what to do with a Discord bot, and now we're here. I also was like, okay, I need a shower in the morning too. I'm gonna wake up early and fucking shower, because look at my fucking hair. Look how you can see through the fucking camera how greasy this thing looks. I know I showered like, I didn't shower yesterday, I showered the day before, but like every third day I shower, and it's like every other day I shower, because that's how you make your hair healthy. Does anyone know how to add a custom icon to a file? I do not. Plus you gotta get those English lessons in, right? Dude, shut the fuck up. I do have Japanese class at 1 p.m. today, but there's no really point to go. They're fucking okay. My there you go. How did I get muted? Oh, I must have pressed. I have a hotkey for muting myself. I forget about it. So when I lived at my parents' house for most of the time of the year, when I streamed, my mom would randomly walk in, and then I would have to go leave fast, go like that, like that. But yeah. But I want to personally add a music, make my bot be able to play music. Does that sound fun? I think that sounds fun. Or should we do something else? 'Cause I'm down for either or. Let's get rid of this. I don't need this. I'm just clearing some tabs real quick. I lost my chat. That's probably not a good thing. I found my chat. If I'm muted, binded to a foot pedal, binded. Bro, what? Copy the code from an already made Discord bot? I could do that. That's that Japanese gamers, bro. But did you guys hear me at all what I said though? Like I have Japanese class at 1 p.m. like Nihongo. But we're doing show and tell. We're doing fucking show and tell for extra credit. And I have nothing to show and tell. Like, what the fuck do you want me to show? You want me to show like my fucking big titty anime figure that's like not from Japan but actually from China? Like what do you want from me? I'm not going. The only Japanese that would have a foot pedal as a mute. I bet you have a shoot when you fucking blink. Dogs over here in Call of Duty going. It's an Asian sizer. There's this one kid in my class in high school that was literally like had like foot pedals or something like that. He brought into class and he was coding them to do certain things. I forgot what though. But yeah, I have my mute to like minus, and then I have my unmute binding to multiply. Go fucking do your homework, dumbass! What the fuck are you doing? don't want to. I mean, that's really how it is. It's really like, oh fuck, except I have to do homework, but like I really don't want to. You spelled opponent wrong. Bot things. I want to make it also where you have a balance, but I don't know how to do that right now, or how to store the balance, because I feel like every single time I update it, it's going to like change, you know? Or is that just like, or will I just need a global variable that won't change, but then I gotta store information for every user? I feel like that's like a lot of info that will have to be saved. Rather you make a cookie logger and a virus rather than one page of a freshman mathematics. Wait, are you in college or fucking high school? What the fuck? My toaster has a display on it. What? Man got a fucking. Let me hook up my Discord bot to your fucking toaster. God damn. Okay, be right back. I have to go to the bathroom. Bathroom break, boys. It's a bathroom break. Over there. The bathroom. Most bathrooms. I'm back. I am back. I have water and 2 Reese's Pieces because I haven't ate breakfast and this is my breakfast. Either homework or a cookie log professor into getting logged out. Okay, I'm doing it as we speak. Fucking do your homework. Just do your fucking homework. But the presentations were nice. It made me very confident over my presentation because the other presentations weren't bad, but I feel like they procrastinated harder than I did. I don't know. I feel like I did more. I don't know why. I just had something on stream that I shouldn't probably put on stream because that could lead to some very bad instances. Okay, anyway. What I want to do is add a music bot. Make it a music bot also. I found a video last night that I was watching that had some what is it? Yeah, in here. This guy talked about a music bot. But also talk about status, and that's what's interesting. I want to first try to make the status thing, and then we could add the music bot. Make it a music bot. The reason I want to do the status thing is I think status would be cool. They'll pop up here static. I also gotta change the profile pic, because I don't really want to have Kana. I mean, like, I'm fine with having like an anime profile pic for like class, but the problem I'm having is the fact that if it's this is a lolly, and some people will know that, and I don't like that. But yeah. Okay, so this looks like a very easy status thing. Okay. Let's look at his code. Lollies are not poggers. Logs are quiet, true, no warnings, auto. Yeah, see, I don't want to just copy the code. So I want to be able to explain the code. But where's the status? I want to mess with the status. Hey, you said you're about to join the Discord. I need you to leave it. Oh my god. I need you to leave it for in a minute. I want to see if this works. This line of code works. Because this line of code does not work for me. So I want to see if this line of code works. I need to fucking update the program. Git add dot git commit doesn't matter, git push. No, this is you, right? I'm not crazy, right? This is if this is you. You ever meet your friend again? What do you mean? Okay. Okay. Are you the guy you got the name Evil from? No, that man is gone. Okay, let's change this damn text. Git add dot. Oh, I didn't save. Git. The toaster I have is a you know, like when you say my name in a sentence like that, it highlights Evo. Check it. I hear myself on my fucking phone. But yeah, when you say my name in any way like that, it'll pop up like that. Your stream delay is madness, is it really? Test. Test. It's like a couple seconds. It's not bad at all. It's like a couple seconds. Well, why is the quality so? Why is the quality so low though? Well, why is the quality so? Why is the quality so low though? Has the quality been like that since the start of the stream? Wait, has the quality been this bad since the start of the stream? If someone could tell me, that would be very useful information to know. Oh, maybe. Now you're making me mess. Okay, no, it's not. The stream is not. Okay, no, it's. Stream is not. Okay, no, it's. Test. Bro, it's like 3-4 seconds. The latency is actually probably really good. Okay, allow it. Nah. It's just something wrong with you. Okay, anyway, I want to mess with the status. On ready, check status.start. Oh, is it literally just that? Is it really just like on run, check status, and then have a status of like array of going like that can't be it. That can't be like the git add dot get I fucked up the git commit. Probably because you're playing your video over another. That was the case. I'm gonna be a professional notepad scripter, goddamn. Well, let's see it. First, you gotta pass high school. I'm not gonna lie, I really have to take a shit. I really got to. But I don't want to. That means I'm gonna be away for like 2-3 minutes. Dab. Okay, I need you already update? I don't think it worked. Nani? Oh, I should probably say Omaiwa. Moshinderu. That's probably what I should say, right? And then the bot responds back with Nani? Omaiwa Moshinderu. But we'll do that later. That status did not work at all. I'm back. Welcome back. Oh. Okay, interesting. An interesting line of code I just found. I'm not sure if this is going to get any errors. I'm not sure why I'm putting this straight onto the live function. Okay. Let's launch it. Get get commit. See, I think I'm the only one that made it so it's alive 24/7. Get push. Okay, please have this work. It'd be really cool if this would work. Something should pop up in here, so then we know that it has to start up again. What does Kana mean? It's just the anime character, that's really it. Why is it not like started back up? I feel like, or is it just not? Okay, it's running. Okay, let's say it didn't show me that it was running. Name air. Can we find the homework dog? The bot's currently broken, I think. So, yeah, I broke the bot. I broke the bot. Okay, cool. We're just going to get rid of this stuff for now. We'll work on it later. And then let's save it and push it back. Get dot get commit get push. Should update it now. Rip Paimon. Evo had her food. Aw, my bad. Sorry about that. Let's check on this random person that's streaming. Genshin Impact, very epic. Okay, let's look this up. Stream sniping. Okay, so we want Discord, Python, music, bot code. Oh, there's a whole fucking tutorial on it. Looks like a lot of code.
Part 12 of my discord.py creating a Discord bot in Python tutorial thing, I don't know. In this video we're going to be going over how to create sort of the core of every music bot, the play command. And what our play command is going to allow us to do is it will allow us to paste in...
You really want that? I guess we could.
A YouTube URL, and it will play the audio from that YouTube video through the bot itself into the voice channel that it's in, so that everyone else in the voice channel can hear the amazing music or video or whatever the heck you played all together. And that's essentially what all Discord music bots do, but today we're going to learn how to do it ourselves. So before we do that, we need to set up sort of our computer. We're going to install a couple things. First of all, you're going to need to go to this website here. I'll have a link to it in the description, and install this program called FFmpeg. Now, as you can see here, FFmpeg is a complete cross-platform solution to record, convert, and stream audio and video. that must be pretty self-explanatory in terms of
Wait.
why that would, and the that will,
No, why do we need
in
that
the
though?
previous video again, we have our join and leave the music. Let me see. I've got this no copyright sound song, so YouTube does not take off my pennies worth of monetization. So dot play.
Okay.
Just like
My bad. Let's download this. Actually, see what they do.
Hey guys,
See, the problem I had for a second, I thought he was doing just MP4s.
so that everyone else in the voice channel can hear the amazing music or all this program called FFmpeg.
You should give me a rule. I was here at 1K, at your 1K and 500 celebration.
Now, as you can see, FFmpeg is a
Maybe in the future.
cross-platform solution to record, convert, and stream audio.
Maybe in the future, not right now.
That must be pretty self-explanatory in terms of why that would be important. But just head over here to the left.
You want to be? I can give you this role though, because I'm really lazy on making roles. Oh, there you go. That's the only other role in the Discord server.
As you can see, it'll say get the packages. Just go to Windows packages because, well, I'm on Windows. Go to whatever you're on, and go to the builds. So I'm using Windows 10 64-bit. So I'm going to click on, well, I'm on Windows. Go to whatever you're on, and go to the builds. So I'm using Windows 10 64-bit. So I'm going to click on that and hit download build. Now,
Wait.
I actually have.
You already lost me, bro.
That would be important.
So,
but just head over here to the left, download, and as you can see, it'll say get the packages. Just go to Windows packages because, well, I'm on Windows. Go to whatever you're on, and go to the builds. So I'm using Windows 10 64.
what the fuck?
Bit. So I'm going to click on that.
Oh, this is so different.
Now
they changed it.
It downloaded already, so I'm going to cancel this. Close that.
What?
Anyways,
seeing the standard Windows mouse triggers me. This I had it changed a long time ago, but I forgot. But I forgot how I did it, and too lazy to change it back.
Sort of a zipped version of a file with a name similar to this. That's fine. Just extract it.
Okay, where do I download it? Where can I download this? Am I supposed to download something? I feel like this is not where I need to be in. Oh, they fucking lost me, dog. Like having a smooth brain moment. There's no download button, dog. I don't trust it too. I'm pretty sure this guy doesn't even have any fucking program they use to write it, but he's just a small kid. I don't want to listen to him. Oh, this guy taught me how to make it go live 24/7. This guy is really good.
Video. So we're gonna go ahead and create a simple music bot with lava link and Discord Pi. So I'm gonna create a directory called Discord Pi music bots, and all of the code will be in link to GitHub. Okay, and we're gonna use pipenv. If you don't know what pipenv is.
Okay, so we use pipenv. I don't know how to install pip. I gotta use this program for that. Pip and
I highly recommend you guys learn how to use it. It's very easy. Okay, and so basically pipenv allows us to set up projects in virtual environments, so that way we
think that's the correct yeah, that was the correct fucking syntax. You used the wrong syntax here. That's annoying. Really don't care. Just finish installing the fucking package.
I recommend you guys learn how to use it. It's very easy. Okay, and so basically pipenv allows us to set up projects in virtual environments, so that way we can install dependencies, and those dependencies won't affect our other projects. So when you install dependencies, sometimes they'll install it globally, or majority of the time if you're not using a virtual environment, they'll install it globally. Using a virtual environment will only keep those dependencies inside that project, and when you go and work on a new project, you can use, let's say, an earlier version or a later version of a dependency, and it won't affect all of your other packages. So highly recommend you look into this. So we're gonna open up Visual Studio Code, and we're gonna go ahead and just install our dependencies. So pipenv install Discord Pi. So it's the same way. If you don't want to use pipenv, you don't have to, but just make sure you have Discord Pi and Lava Link installed. And I'm assuming that you guys already have Lava Link installed, but for those who are just trying to learn how to make a music bot, what you want to do is you want to do two things before you even, or three things actually. You want to make sure that you have Lava Link downloaded, so download the latest version.
Bro, duh. What the fuck is Lava Link?
It is 4/22, 2020. So the latest version right now is version 3.3.1. This requires Java 11. So make sure you have.
How do I download this?
Have Java 11, but it's recommended to download it with or use it with Java 13. Now, if you want to download Java 11, I'll actually link a video in the description, okay, that shows you where to download Java 11 and how to set up the path for it. And it also shows you how to set up the application .yml file. So just watch that video and then come right back to you. Okay, but just make sure you click on this jar file and it'll save to your desktop.
Oh, we got to download the jar file? It seems like a lot of work. Okay. Is your class over? It is over. Now I'm just coding for fun. But not really, I'm adding more to the program.
If you look at our pip file over here, we have Discord Pi, we have to install Lava Link, so let's do that. Pip install. And then come right back to you. Okay, but just make sure you click on this jar file and it'll save to your desktop. But it's those who are just trying to learn how to make a music bot. What you want to do is
finished
do two things
like
before you even, or three things actually.
20 minutes ago? 40 minutes ago actually? Fuck.
So download the latest version. It is 4/22, 2020. So the latest version right now is.
Why is his so different from mine? That's what's fucking killing me. Like what? What? You know what? Fuck it. Let's just install Lava Link through pip.
Version 3.3.1. This requires Java 11, so make sure you have Java 11. But it's recommended to download it with or use it with Java 13. Now, if you want to download Java 11, know in the past we've used White Steel Core, FFmpeg, and Node Opus, but LavaLink itself does not need any of those. I was using LavaLink yesterday on my live stream, and I was very impressed with how the whole quality, how everything just worked without having
Oh, we do
to
live
do
streams
so
too.
much stuff,
He's probably a lot
installation,
better.
and all these
He
things.
doesn't probably have to watch
The only thing that we
tutorials.
have to do is just install Java 11 onto our system. This is probably going to be the trickiest part, but I'm going to show you guys how to get everything set up. Okay, so yeah, pretty much LavaLink itself will take care of searching for songs for us, and it loads it from different resources, different platforms. So for example, LavaLink itself is based on Lava Player, and Lava Player takes care of loading tracks from either YouTube, SoundCloud, Bandcamp, Vimeo, Twitch streams, local files, or HTTP URLs. And there are different formats that Lava Player can handle. And you can read all about it. Okay, there's a lot of abstract stuff going on underneath the hood, but we don't need to worry about that. The only thing that we need to do is just understand how to actually use LavaLink. Okay, so all we need to do is we need to download a LavaLink. So we're going to go over to the GitHub link. I'm going to leave the link in the description. Click on releases.
This guy is
Now,
quiet.
Make sure that you have Java 11 installed already. Okay, if you don't have Java 11 installed, I'll show you how to install it. So we're going to go ahead and download the jar file, and you're going to go ahead and save it to your desktop. Okay.
Okay. Save jar file. Okay.
So
Then what?
once you have it saved to your desktop, you need to make sure you have Java 11 installed. Otherwise, this jar file will not work. So you can go over to jdk.java.net/java-se-ri/11. Again, the link will be in the description. And download it for your operating system. So I'm on Windows. I'm not sure why there's no link for Mac, but if you just Google Java 11 for Mac, it should pop up. But again, if you have issues with this, just join my Discord server and I'll be happy to help you guys out on one of the help channels.
You guys don't join their Discord server. That's the bad Discord server. My Discord server is the better Discord server.
We have this zip file, and what we're gonna do is let's extract this zip file, and you want to add this to your path. You can actually
Wait. This Java 11. Okay. Do that. I should probably not show my desktop. My desktop is very not stream friendly. Where did I save it to? Oh, it's literally right there. Okay. Go in folder. Desktop. Extract all the files. And bam.
just move this out here. But basically what you want to do, actually just move this over here. We have this zip file, and what you're gonna do is let's extract this zip file, and you want to add this to your path. You can actually just move this out here. But basically what you want to do is you want to add this JDK11 folder up to the bin part to your path, okay, because this is where all of the binaries are. Bin part to your path, okay, because this is where all of the binaries are. Alright, so to add it to your path, you're going to go over to start, assuming you're on Windows, and you're going to type in environment, and then you're going to click on environment variables. Now this part is a little bit tricky, but what you want to do is you want to go over to system variables, and you want to create, if you don't have
this man talking so fucking fast. Holy shit. I do have it on fucking 1.25 speed. I feel like I'm gonna fuck up my whole computer.
And then you're going to click on environment variables. Now this part is a little bit tricky, but what you want to do is you want to go over to system variables, and you want to create, if you don't have Java home, you want to create this variable. It's Java_home. and you want to put it where your Java JDK installation is. So in this case, my Java is installed in C program files x86, Java, and then JDK11. So you're going to include that bin part over here. Okay, so
Some 32.
This JDK11 folder is basically this entire folder, but we're including the bin part. Okay, that's pretty much it. And then you also want to make sure you go over to path and
Where the
double click this. And if you scroll down, you can see I have it add over here. So you can just click on new and just paste the path to your Java JDK11 bin. So for example, right over here, if I paste this into terminal, you can see that this is where I have my JDK11 installed. Okay, mine is going to be different than yours, or it might be the same. So just make sure you know where you have down
Okay.
JDK11 to.
Slowly but surely, we're making ourselves
Make sure
full.
it's just pointing to that correct path. But again, if you're having issues, just let me know. You join my Discord server. I'll be happy to help you out. And if you get issues, just try restarting your computer.
Gotta save it for my summary.
Now, if you have Java installed correctly, you can go and type Java-version, and you'll see that it should just say OpenJDK version 11. It should say all this. Okay, and if
It's gonna freak the fuck out. 1.8. That's not good, is it?
If you type Java, it should give you a bunch of different commands that you can use. Okay, cool. So that is pretty much the most annoying part. So now what we need to do next is we need to set up an application.yaml file. So it's a YML file that we can actually just copy. It's somewhere on the website. Right over here. So we're just going to copy all of this stuff over here. I'm going to save it.
Mine's Java 1.8.0241. This is not gonna work. This is gonna go very bad. Right, okay. Let's just roll with it and hope that we did something correct, even though we didn't.
So what I'm going to do is all of this stuff over here. I'm going to save it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go inside my code and I'm going to go and move that lava link download into this folder over here. Okay.
But where the fuck did he paste it?
Somewhere.
Man, the task card giving me a headache. Dog. You don't understand the amount of fucking shit I have opened right now. See it? Fucking hell. CPU is getting used heavily. My RAM is like, I need to get more RAM, bro. The amount of shit I do, like, this is nuts.
The website, the most annoying part. So now what we need to do next is we need to set up an application.yaml file. So it's a YML file that we can actually just copy. It's somewhere on the website. Right over here. So we're just going to copy all of this stuff over here. I'm going to save it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go inside my code and I'm going to go and move that lava link download into this folder over here.
Uh-oh. That didn't work.
Okay. And let me go ahead and set up a simple script to start lava link. So I'll just do, let's see, lava link. And
The
so
fuck is this?
file, we need to use the Java command. So Java-jar.
I wasted my time. I wasted 5 minutes of my fucking life. I fucking hate myself. $1.2 million views. 13 minutes. This should be good, right? Right?
Request music to play, have it automatically pick music and randomly play it, have a queue for the music that's currently playing and what is up next, and etc. So, let's begin. What you're first going to want to do is you're going to want to download
Let's just load
this,
Python.
a MusicBot zip. So, we're going to do that real quick. I've deleted it entirely and I will show you how to do it.
Let's see how this guy
Basically,
does
you're
it.
just gonna look up on your internet browser. It could be Firefox, it could be whatever you want. I'm using Google Chrome. I would type in MusicBot right here. MusicBot. It should be the GitHub. If you click on it, it'll bring you to this page, and I will put this link in the description for you guys so you don't have to do much work. Now, you're going to click here. You're going to download the zip at the clone and download, and it should download this MusicBot master zip. It shouldn't have this too. I've downloaded this twice, so you know, it should just be fine. Now, you're going to drag this to your desktop or go to your downloads folder. It's whatever you personally prefer. Now, since this is on my desktop, what I will do is I will right click and extract to MusicBot master so I can have better accessibility when I'm trying to open and close my bot. For my personal preferences, you don't have to. I would keep it just in case you need it later. But I am going to delete this and just keep this on its own. I'm going to rename this for myself. There we go. MusicBot master. This is what you should have. Now, since you have the files,
Okay,
you can open
that's
the
not
tab
working.
or just close this down in your
It did not like the fact that I fucking. Okay, guy. Did I just
or
they
go to
make me
your
install a
downloads
virus? Is that
folder
what you're making me do?
personally prefer. Now, since this is on my desktop, what I will do is I will right click and extract to MusicBot master so I can have better accessibility.
What is this guy talking about? Download it. Don't open it. I don't want you to open. I want to transfer it. My PC filled. Not yet. I just finished finding and downloading Notepad games. I at least have 82. I know that, Bixby. Shut the fuck up. We're gonna download it again because I want not to open it, but I want to see where it's fucking saved. Can you please show me in folder? Okay. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna move it to desktop. I'm gonna move this to desktop. And then what we're gonna do here is we're gonna extract to Music Master. I don't know where the fuck that went, but we did that. There it is. We did it.
When I'm trying to
Hey, allow it.
For my personal preference,
Allow
you
it.
don't have to. I would keep it just in case you need it later. But I
Calm down. Calm down.
on its own. I'm gonna rename this for myself.
There's a reason why it's there.
Go, MusicBot Master. This is what you should have. Now, since you have the files, you're gonna open up a new tab or just close down the other one.
You should just now find that poggers. YouTube doesn't have a big enough brain to find it.
API. Once you see a Discord API, you click on the first one. Develop with Discord, develop MusicBot, but I will not be using that to be called. So if the bot tutorial or conversationable manner. Now, I'm edits striking on screen now. You're going to copy this entire link. You're gonna close. For me, I'm gonna close Notepad. You're not gonna need to close anything like that. ID at the very your server. I scroll down. This bot isn't online along with any mode will allow you to use tools. You're going to go welcome to python.org. INI at the end to be a bot before you do anything. Once you've copied that, paste it in at the wrong one. Not the client ID. You're going to click to reveal the token. And once you do that and paste it in here, it's going to be a long thing. It should be bigger than your client ID. Once that is done, you do not need to do anything else. Go ahead and click save at the very top and close your window. Once you've done that, go ahead and back.
Okay. I need to go use the bathroom. Very badly. So I'll put this on. No, this is not copyrighted. Oh, please load. Why is it so laggy? Oh my god, it's copyrighted. It's copyrighted. This is not copyright. Okay, you guys can enjoy this while I go use the bathroom. Okay? Have fun. I'll be right back in like 2-3 minutes.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
I'm back. It's insane how easily Notepad can penetrate a computer.
Hi guys, it's me Swap. You need to go to your web browser. Just click on save, use Python, and select the link. Just wait for it. I'll just close bot.import commands, and the first event 15 likes. I'll make a new video. Apply. So I back on here, right here under your bot application. The token. So what happens is this token is used to communicate between the code and
Well, this is how to make this Discord bot in general. What the fuck? Alright, boys. Well, I think that's what's gonna happen. Alright, so basically we saw all our we saw everything. We saw all the projects for at least for today. We looked at like 12 projects. They're pretty cool, right? I think mine was cool too. But Thursday, same time, 11 a.m. around that time, I'm presenting my project. I'll be live doing it because why not? I'm going to get off now, and I'm going to go mess with it some more and do some other homework that I need to do that's boring. So, we're going to end it here for today. I might stream tomorrow. I'm not certain about it. I might record a video instead tomorrow, and then stream Thursday and a video up on Friday. I think that's what I'm probably going to do. But, it's been fun. I'll see you guys sooner or later. But anyway, thanks for coming out this early stream. Have a good rest of your school or whatever you guys doing. And peace. And Skada. Peace out, Sean.